6-pounder right there, guys. I think it's too much. 6-pound striper.
I don't know how to change it.
Alright, let's get him in the ice. This one is just, this feels like a giant catfish. Please. I don't think he does it. Right there, another striper. Figured out boat here now. Pretty close to a double. Two laying on the deck at the same time.
All right.
Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, see if you can lead him that way.
I'm trying.
Without getting him. Oh, he's gonna get the motor. Oh, I got one too. Damn.
Oh, look at yours. Mine's not.
All right, sorry guys. That's a pretty good one right there. We're gonna weigh this one. They are mean rascals too, these hybrids. Circle hook.
Barely in there, huh?
Actually, this one might be a striper. Look at the other side of him. These things are so crossed up. These lines are a little bit broken at the bottom. So, some sort of natural mix. And I doubled again, and I got a little baby one right there, but he'll eat. There's a limit of 20 per person on these guys in Florida, so we're going to be stocking a freezer. We'll get back to you when we get ready to weigh this one. Alright, like right at 5-pounder. Big fat one. Good to go. You saw us catching these things beginning of the video. I didn't decide to do a cleaning part because all we did was just fillet them. I've done that so many times now on the channel that not really something I need to do every time. And there's a million different ways. That was pretty dang good right there. So the trick to doing this method is do it hot and fast. Fish takes almost no time to cook through. This one kind of split down the middle. That's okay. We're going to put it in a sandwich anyway. Alright. Next thing to go in, I pre-prepared, peeled and sliced these mangoes. Let's go ahead and get them going. What I want to do is put a little char on these mangoes. So they're about, bring out the sweetness in them. If we have to, might need a little bit more olive oil, but we'll let them go just like they are right now. And we'll go to the next step, this very delicious sandwich. Just a couple of minutes, time to flip. Nice char. I can use a little bit more time. Nice char on that one. Move our skillet over a little bit. That's what we're looking for. Alright, so the mango's done. I'm gonna go ahead and put our aioli on the buns, and we're gonna go ahead and just brown them off real quick. I'll do them two at a time since I dropped the last one in the sand. So we'll feed that one to the fish. We just want to toast these real quick. We're ready to put this together. Alright, so everything is done. Gonna start out with our grilled brioche bun with the garlic lime aioli on there, and put on our fish with our slice of charred mango. See our bottom right there. Feel free to dress that up any way you like. I guarantee you that's going to be some good striped bass right there. See, that's a bigger piece of fish. It's a bigger piece of mango. I'm going to kind of gauge these right there. That don't really need anything. There's this last one. Alright. Lunch is served right out here on the bank. The same waters as we caught these fish. We're out here at the creek. We need to clean up. Put the shit in the water. Have it all paper towel. Good to go till you get home. I brought everything I needed out here in this one little bag for dry goods, and everything else in the cooler. This one I dropped on the ground, so we're going to use that one to catch a brim here in a little bit. Everything else can go back in the cooler. Pan is drying down, or cooling down, so we'll just dip that in the water and just go on. You're making a bigger wake by slowing down. I don't know why jet skiers are so stupid sometimes. Just go. Unless you're going to slow all the way down to no wake, it don't make no sense. Sure, there's a lot of people with me on that.
Mango.
Oh, mango.
Is it good, Jax?
Good. Tell them. Say yes, it's good.
I don't need to see cheese. I need you to say if you like it or not.
Say
Is a
like.
6-year-old approved?
Say yes.
Yes.
Say it's a mango fish sandwich.
He's eating it.
I know it says
Well, just gonna put the cast iron right in the creek. Wipe it out with a paper towel. What, Joker's still hot? Do it a couple times. You're good to go. At least till we get home. Cool it off anyway. Come on, let's go swimming. Come on. Come on. I'm going to go down here and sniff this log. Yes, I keep a leash on you so that if a gator comes, I can get you.